everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for January 2021. If you like this video while you're watching, I always appreciate a thumbs up. If you dislike it, thumbs down is okay as well. If you have not yet and you would like to, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do appreciate that. And if you have any comments while you're watching it, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below too. Let's go ahead and get into the Boxycharm base box for January 2021. I do have a card here. It looks like I have variation C2101022-BA. I don't know what that means. Maybe variation 22, I think, maybe. And it looks like the theme is fresh start. So that's pretty cool. This is what we've got going on over here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start pulling everything out. There are 5 items in here and they are all listed on the card. And let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this one right here. This is heavy. This is 4 ounces. It's from Pharmacy. It is the Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner from Pharmacy. I think I might have already said that. Ooh, there we go. That is what the bottle looks like. Sorry, my son came upstairs and was singing and then he slammed the door. So that's always fun. So this is from Pharmacy. It is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. An alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. MSRP is $28. And I don't know that that's not necessarily right for my skin. Maybe in the summertime, but during the winter I get super, super dry. There is a stopper in there. I'm trying to see if I can get any smell. It does smell kind of medicinal. So, all right, that's pretty cool to get. But like I said, just not right now because I do have drier skin in the winter and I wouldn't want to strip it any more than it already is. Okay, let's go with this one right here. This is from Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Sorry, that's the name of the product, from Seraphine Botanicals. So, let's see what this says. Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. That is what it looks like right there. It's just like a really soft pink shade of the product. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically. Yes, synergistically. It does have a safety seal on it, by the way. To keep lips chappe-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. MSRP is $25. I'm excited to give that a try. The only lip mask that I have that I've really, really enjoyed is the Laneige. I've really enjoyed that. I use it as a lip balm though. Speaking of lip balms, I got a lip balm in here. This is from Bally Balm. It is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I don't know why they sent a lip balm and a lip mask in the same box. Packaging is cute. Holy moly, the MSRP on this is $33. That's a lot of money for a lip balm. So, this is Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Seeing if I can get any out without getting too much out. Because I'm not going to put any on right now because I do have lipstick on. Okay, so it is a white cream. It smells really good, in my humble opinion. All right, essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky, smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. So, all right, MSRP $33. That is an expensive lip balm. I think I already said that. Worth saying again. All right, next item in here is from Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer in the shade LN2. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this and see what it looks like. Obviously, I already have my makeup on for the day, so I'm not going to put it on right now, but I will definitely try this in the future. The Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. It's a multi-purpose, all-in-one, broad-spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20 that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra-natural looking complexion. Okay, I'm going to get it just a little bit out there. This might actually work for me. MSRP is $35. It is kind of pink though. It's definitely pink. Holy moly. Okay. I don't know that you can see on screen where it's at, but it's on the back of my hand. It's got a nice shine to it, but it's super, super pink. And I typically try to go with, I just got this all over the place. I typically try to go with more neutral shades than like a pink or a yellow undertone. I just got it on my Ipsy Plus bag. Darn it all to heck. I hate getting foundation on stuff because it pretty much ruins it. But it's, you know, it's a cute bag. All right. All right, that's cool. I will definitely give that a try. Hopefully the pink shade isn't too much, being that it's a tinted moisturizer. Hopefully it just won't be like too heavy and it will actually work for me. All right, the last one in here is from Ciate. This is the Velvet palette. It's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. All right, let's get this open. Ooh, it's got a velvet touch to it. Velvet matte touch. Ooh, that's pretty. That's very, very pretty and vibrant too. There it is. I'm going to try to get it so it's not blinding you. That is really pretty. They look really, really rich too. So this is Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. MSRP is $30, and this is a new launch product, so that's exciting to get something new in the box. We've gotten that before. It doesn't happen often, but every once in a while we will get like new products in the box. This is just really, really pretty, and I don't know if it's the texture and the eyeshadow that's drawing me in or what, but it is really pretty to me. I'm really liking it. Okay, to recap. I got the Ciate London eyeshadow, which I'm going to be honest, I've tried a couple of their eyeshadows and they're kind of hit and miss for me. Sometimes they're really, really good. Sometimes they're just not so good. But I got the Ciate London eyeshadow, the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, which I'm hoping will work for me once I actually get it like on my face, but it looks a little bit on the pink side. The Bali Balm, which I'm excited to give a try. The Seraphine Botanicals Lip Mask, and then the Pharmacy Toner. Overall, I am actually really happy with this box. I definitely got my value out of it, so I'm actually really, really happy to get this. Anyway, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet and you would like to, please go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you have any comments in the comment section, please leave those down below. I would have done a try on with this box, but I figured with just the two products. Now I did get the two lip products, but they're both like matte. It's a lip mask and a lip balm. But with just the face product and the eyeshadow product, I ended up not doing that today. Plus, I'm filming a lot of videos all in one day just because my month kind of got away from me. So anyway, let me know if you guys prefer the try-on style, and I will try to get back into doing that in February. I used to do my videos as try-on style, and then I kind of got out of that. But I will try to get back into it if you guys like it that way better. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.